Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting your document size and color mode to match final output, then place type immediately. Use the type tool to enter your words, choose a font that supports the effect, and adjust size, tracking, and leading so shapes read cleanly. Once your baseline looks right, duplicate the text layer so you have an editable backup. This prevents destructive edits later. Make sure to name layers and lock guides. It speeds the next steps and keeps alignment consistent. Now convert the words into a visual element by applying effects and fills. Place or embed the image you want inside the text. Select both image and text, then choose Make Clipping Mask so the photo conforms to letter shapes. If you need depth, apply 3D extrude or a warp effect and tweak lighting and bevels. Once satisfied, use expand appearance to finalize vector effects. Keep an untouched text copy on a hidden layer, so you can edit later without rebuild. Finish by preparing final files. Rasterize or export based on output, PNG or JPEG for raster, SVG or PDF for vectors. Choose appropriate resolution. For print, use 300 ppi and check anti-aliasing. Once exported, inspect edges and colors. If you see banding or jagged edges, undo and increase the document raster, effects resolution, or convert strokes to outlines before re-exporting. Finally, save an editable AI file and a flattened version for delivery so you can revisit or hand off without quality loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.